Hey guys, Chip here, and today I will be showing you how to use Google Drawings on mobile. So I've actually done this video before on ChipBar, but I wanted to bring that video to ChipBar Tech, as well as the fact that it's been unlisted for a little while now, and I don't plan on bringing the original back. So the first thing you want to do is get Chrome. If you have Android, you probably already have Chrome. And if you are using an iPhone, you just want to search in the App Store, Chrome, Chrome, and then open it. It's just an alternate web browser. I still like Safari more, but Chrome is useful for certain tasks. So anyways, to use Google Drawings, first you want to go to drive.google.com. You can see it up in my URL bar. And then I'm gonna go to my logos. And I don't know, let's see. Here, I'll make a new version of my second favorite color, or version logo, which happens to be purple. So, for drawings, you just want to tap on the drawing, and then press the three dots up here and open a new window. It'll say this, it's never been supported, so just dismiss it. And I'm just gonna make a copy of logo. What am I on? Logo 15.0.5. Okay, yeah, that's just, Rex talking in the background. Rex is a little troublemaker. Oh, yeah, we gave him carrots today in his little tray, but he dropped both of them, and then when we put them back in, he dropped them again. Okay, just press dismiss. It's gonna be a little laggy. That's just because it's not designed for mobile. And you'll notice when you tap pretty much anything, that will appear. So there's nothing you can really do about it other than making it lower, which you can do by connecting an external keyboard using one of these adapters I'm showing you right here on the screen right now. So I'm just going to connect my keyboard using the Lightning to USB Type-A dongle. And you can see, just like that, it goes down. So at this point, it's similar. It's similar to let's get that. At this point, it's similar to desktop drawings, but you can't really use these little squares to move things. You can't do copy and paste. And other things, certain other things also don't work. Like cropping images and stuff like that. So I will change this gradient to something more to my liking. Here, let's put bright chip bar blue, or no, purple, into two of those slots. And I don't know, let's put that dark. No. Actually, no, we have to do that first. Because now, purple is the light color, then you just, and then, I'm just gonna show you, how to make a shape. Oh yeah, having an external keyboard makes all the difference when using mobile. So if you have a Bluetooth or even wired keyboard, as long as it's USB, unless you have a PS2 to USB adapter, but yeah, because you can do things like shift to get straight stuff. You can backspace to delete things. Next, I will show you how to download your stuff. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is open the Drive app, which I have in my Siri suggestions. And then you want, this is to download it, by the way. Then you want to go to whatever you want to download. There. And then you want to press open in. Then press save to files. I think on my iPhone is fine. Press save. And because the mobile Drive app saves drawings as PDFs, you need to go to some PDF to PNG converter. Our PDF to JPEG works as well, as long as you don't have transparent parts. And yeah, I just use pdf2png.com because it's the highest quality one. And then once you find your logo, you want to press that. Wait for it to upload. Then you can just click download all. And in the Files app, you go back. It should be in a zip file. You just have to double tap that. Okay, and then you can find it here. And then you can just save image. So yeah, that's how to use Google Drawings and save things on mobile. Thank you for watching. Please check out my other channels, and goodbye.